Yeah. Oh, you tired? No, class is good.
Ain't gonna be good by the time we make the time. We gotta get this Friday tennis. Trying to make it more. Yeah. He might have well here. He's stuck in the ditch. He's stuck in the ditch on 165, so he might have well. God dang. All right. They fuck all the way up. The truck, four-wheel, everything. I ain't got to be. Yeah, we're gonna try to see if we can get. Yeah. I gotta go pick. I gotta go pick it up in the corner. Oh yeah. I'm just trying to make it better. Even if I had it door. Yeah. Yeah, I'm going there. Big over. Get the top one. Then so I got wash it. It's wide. I can't. So I got to go get a drink. Got to get the top. All I do is make it the door time. I can slow down. Yeah, I ain't running for 45. You on your truck, ain't you? You on your truck, ain't you? seen your phone. I seen your phone on the back of somebody. You look like a truck. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Damn, I forgot. Tell you what's the name. Let me go see this. James, Showtime. We're gonna tell them to turn on. We're gonna tell them to turn on our theme song. Everybody down, let that shit flood. Let that bitch flood. Yeah, right there, blue. One of us got a text and tell them, hey, till you turn this song on, get ready. Get ready. What you mean? He said he already got a season. All he got to do is just turn to get the what's the name? Rehab. He already got a season. I get two gonna bring his what's the name out here ready for two. Yeah, his old forward. I see. Well, yeah, he must be a driver guy. I see Tyler there painted in red. Tell the Tyler. Alright, just got outlet. Hello? Have I talked to him? Yeah, well. Yeah. I don't know how the hell he did it. Yeah, I don't know. Crazy that. Yeah, he did. Hello? Right. Where you at? Oh, I got you must be right behind me. Oh, you right in front of me. So you must be right in front of me then. Oh, I'm ahead of you then. I said I'm ahead of you then. Oh, the Mexican right there. I said the Mexican right there across the week. Hopefully they ain't closed. I'm trying to get up before 5 o'clock. It's Friday, so the Doug might shut up. That's Alabama time. Well, I know he got a tie there, so I don't think he go with him. I know he got one though. I ain't got to worry about waiting and trying to order. He got one already. So I'm going over there. I think I'm gonna get them out of the way. I'm gonna run back to the plane. Got out yet? Who with you? And Jeremy Truck can't pull you out? He ain't got no strap. I'm saying he ain't got no strap. Oh, okay. What Jasmine called and check on me. Yeah. For real? For real? She called me and said, yeah, I heard that. Someone had an accident. He ran up in a ditch and got flipped over or something. I said, how he know? Yeah. That's done it to bring the lawn care trailer there and go and pull your ass on out and get it over with. Yeah. That's what I would have did. Let's see, the transmission might come out. Is it been up? Is it been up?